Today I'm going to tell you a very beautiful recipe. Everybody in the world I think loves samosa. So don't take outside samosa which is full of oil and this and that. So I don't recommend because you will put on a lot of weight. So today I'm telling you homemade baked samosas. Okay. For this you need atta. Of course atta, gunda atta. Then you need some besan. Besan. Then some masalas, salt, pepper, jeera, chaat masala and turmeric powder. And some like tortilla, but we are making fresh here. Then tomato ketchup to eat it. So I'll make a small chapatis. Then I will make tortillas out of it. So first you make nice beautiful patle chapatis. Then we'll cut it and in the shape of samosa we'll bake samosas at home. मुझे ना थोड़ी नाइफ और वो लगी. So I have to bring from the kitchen. We make very thin because if you want a tasty, nice samosa, it should be as thin as possible. So make a tortilla out of it, atta, then you cut into strips. So how much big samosa you want. Now make it on. So I'll take one by one. Now I will make the shape of samosa. Like everybody likes triangular samosas, because it is available in the market. Triangular. So I'll make triangular samosa. Now I'll make a pouch into that. So pouch is made here. So open the pouch here. So I will fill the besan masala into this. So make these out of these things. Just make triangular samosa. Give a little practice for this. Just go on making triangular samosas and make a pouch. So this is how I made two. So now I will make besan masala for filling into that. So take this and have some besan into it. So what is the filling? Now I don't put potato and a mixture. I make from besan. It's a beautiful samosa. Make samosa at home. So take some besan. I will say take some salt, some pepper, some jeera, some haldi, some chaat masala. Mix it. Now you add some nimbu juice, water lime juice, so it will give much better taste. And make some dry powder. This is the dry powder. Add little drizzle of oil to that. Very little oil, so that it will become very crunchy, tasty. So now masala is there. Now I have made samosa, small samosas. The pouch is there, so I will fill this mixture into that. Now you close this lid with the help of water. This is water. Just put some water here. Close the lid. Now your samosa is ready. Now you drizzle little oil over the frying pan. Stop it, it's very hot. Just drizzle little oil and put your samosa here. So go on making small little samosas. Make a pouch into it and put the besan masala. So here no frying, nothing, and you have beautiful samosas at home. These are baked, nice, beautiful, healthy samosas. So just put oil here. Now I will make some more triangles. Everything is here to make a pouch of it. So now go on cooking it here along with the spoon. Just non-stick tawa. You just go on cooking your samosas. I'll take a little, temperature should be low so that it will not burn, and go on cooking it nicely. Then I will taste it. So this is small pouch here. You can purchase the fillets are available, like rice fillets, meat fillets, but these are very lot of butter is put there. So I want to make my own samosas at home. So small little samosa, just drizzle it in oil. It's much delicious and very nice. So I will make a small pouch to your samosa. Fill your besan mixture. Add some water. Close it. So I'm making like that. Increase the temperature a little. And you enjoy this now. Nice, beautiful tomato ketchup. Yesterday I made tortilla chips also out of that. So like this, if you're making like small, simultaneously I can make tortilla chapatis also here. So take tortilla and make a cut out of this, and you just go on cutting your tortillas with the help of knife. So whatever the tortilla is available in the market, just take that and cut it into pieces of sizes and shapes of your choice. And you can cook on a non-sticking frying pan. Just drizzle little oil. Reduce temperature. Just put your tortillas here. This is a snacks dish after samosa. This is a baked tortilla, like Doritos and any baked chips we have now. In the market they are fried chips, so it is very unhealthy. So I have made a version at home, that is take out of chapatis or out of tortillas. So here I make drizzle little oil, very little oil here. Now I'll put some salt here, some pepper, and some chaat masala here, and some freshly crushed peppercorns, which you can add, and go on turning it. I think everybody is loving this. Yesterday everybody loved it. I made on the Sunday for my kids. Yuku and Sonali were there. Sonali was so happy to have all these chips, baked chips. She was saying that it is very good for diabetic patients. She's going to become a doctor, I think, like her parents. She's very nice, intelligent, very intelligent. She's very small but very smart. Auntie Kanchan, Sonali, everybody loved it. Today Kitty is going to love this. Definitely she is going to praise my tortilla chips and my samosas. You have to make it crisp. So these are two recipes today I am showing: tortilla chips, baked tortilla chips, and baked samosa. So I think your samosa is going to be ready fast. It's taking a little time because otherwise we fry, so it becomes very fast. But here things are a little slow, but they are very healthy. Time doesn't matter, health is more important. So take little time in cooking, no problem, and enjoy health. So this is how we make. Tortilla chips and samosas. Look from all the sides. It is done from one side, just flip it over and make golden brown on both the sides till they are nice, crispy, lovely Doritos. You can make from corn bread, means corn atta also you can take. Just add half of besan and half of corn. Means 1/3 corn, 1/3 besan, 1/3 gehu ka atta. It will be much healthier. Today I have taken only gehu ka atta out of these tortillas. So I love this Doritos made by home. So much mouth watering, na? Okay. The samosa are also done. So now I'm going to taste it with tomato ketchup. You can take chutney, pickle chutney, green chutney, anything you want, whatever you have at home. So I'm going to taste it, taking tomato ketchup. So I'll take, yummy, very nice. This is samosa. Beautiful. I think nobody will say no to this. Just enjoy your homemade samosas and homemade Doritos. So this is how we make. Thank you for watching.